In this video, I want to show you why is Java pass by value and not pass by reference. So for the first example, I want to create an integer variable, let's say int a is equal to 10, and then I'll create static void method a, which will take an integer parameter, let's say int b, and I'll say that b is equal to 20. Now inside the main I want to call this method with the variable a, and I want to print the value of a. So if I run this, I get that a is equal to 10. And why is that? Well, because Java is passed by value, and this means that this variable here it's not the same as this one. That's true because this variable here is just a copy of this variable. For the second example, I want to create a class person with public integer variable, let's say age, and the class needs to be static. I'll create an object, and I'll say that this person age is equal to 10, and I'll create a method b, which will take a person as parameter, and I'll say that the person age is equal to 20. I'll delete this, and I want to call this method b with person and print the person age, and we get 20. Why do we get 20? Well, because when we create a person, this variable here, it's a reference to this object. And remember that Java is passed by value, so this variable here is also a reference to the same person. So when I make a change here, the change will be present here as well. And to give you a better example, I'll create a person p is equal to new person, and I'll say that p.age is equal to 10. Now when I created this person is created in the heap memory, so it's somewhere here, let's say 001 something, and this variable here, this is a reference to this address. Now inside our method be, person, and let's just call method b with person. Now remember that this person here, it's not the same as this one, because this is a copy, but this copy it's pointing to the same memory address as this person. So when we make a change here, we can see the result here as well inside the main. So now we know that this person here it's not the same as this one, but we know that this person here is pointing to the same object. And if I say, for example, the age is equal to 30, you get 30. But if I say that, for example, that this person is equal to null and run the program, you still get 30, because this is a copy, and this copy now is pointing to null, but this is still pointing to the person object. So when I run it, I'm still getting 30. And I can say that this person is equal to new person, and person.age is equal to 50. And if I compile that, I'll still get 30. Because now this person, this copy here, is pointing to another person object, while this is still pointing to the same old person. And to illustrate the changes that we've just made, I just say that p is equal to new person, and p.age is equal to 50. Now, when we type P is equal to new person, we get another person, let's say in 002, and this reference starts to point to this person, not to this one. So when we make a change here, this change will be for this person, not for this one. I hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.